Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you about few of the shortcut keys in Excel that can be used in your day-to-day life while using any data in Microsoft Excel. So my first shortcut key is Control Shift L. So if you want to apply a filter to a data, so simply press Control Shift L and it will apply the filter on top of the headers, and you can use these filters. So it's a toggle. If you want to remove these filters, again Control Shift L. Next shortcut is Control plus T. So it will convert the range to a table, and press OK, and it will show you the designs, predefined table styles, and you can select whichever you want to, and you can even add the total row at the bottom. You can summarize with the pivot table, remove duplicates, so you can perform all the table functionalities with this range now. So my next shortcut helps you to jump from one side of the table to other. So if you want to jump to the bottom, then Control down arrow, jump to the right, Control right arrow, jump to the left, left arrow, jump back to the top, then Control top arrow. It is much faster than the normal scroll. So my next tip is, if you want to select the data while jumping from one corner to other, so simply press Control Shift along with the down arrow, then Control Shift along with the right arrow. But if you press then now Control Shift left arrow, it will unselect the right column. And if you want to go back to the top, press Home key and it will take you to the top. Next shortcut is, so if you want to format these salary cells, so you can simply select them, Control Shift down arrow, press Control 1 and go to numbers. So if I need a decimal and a comma as a separator, press OK. So it will format all the numbers with comma as a separator and 2 decimal places. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.